Welcome to Chinese 101. Today we will talk about one of the basic elements of Chinese language, pronouns. Last lesson, we have learnt about personal pronouns. In this lesson, we will go through the illustrative pronouns in Chinese. Demonstrative pronouns are classified as far and near. They are also classified as singular pronouns and plural pronouns. Let us take a look at the near demonstrative pronouns.
这
This,
这是我的书，
this is my book.
我喜欢这，
I like this.
这个，
This one.
我喜欢这个，
I like this one.
给我这个，
Give me this one.
这个，这些，
These,
这些很好吃，
these are delicious.
我买了这些，
I bought these.
这些，
Let us take a look at the far demonstrative pronouns.
那
That,
那是我的朋友，
that is my friend.
我不需要那，
I do not need that.
那个，
That,
那个很好，
that is good.
我喜欢那个，
I like that.
那个，那些，
Those,
那些很贵，
those are expensive.
我不要那些，
I do not want those.
那些，
Well done. Now, let's have a quick recap.
这
This,
这个
this one.
这些
These,
那
that,
那个
that one.
那些
Those. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our video, don't forget to subscribe and like our video.